What I'm going to show you are some nice, easy tips on how to improve your macro photography. Just some basics that I use and a lot of professionals use as well. Right, what I'm going to use, I've got my Canon 7D Mark II. I have a set of extension tubes. I have a 50mm 1.8 Canon lens. It's just a version 1. I have some daffodils. Purchased these 3 or 4 days ago. All in bud form. You keep them in the warm, sunny place. Within 3 or 4 days, you've got some nice flowers on them. Got a simple torch and a little light to the side. First off, camera, lens, no extension tubes. I've set the lens on manual focus at its closest focal point. In order to get a focus, just move the camera backwards and forwards. No tripod involved. Without an extension tube, we're about roughly 18 inches, 45 centimetres away. I've now put the 31mm extension tube on. Still aiming at the closest point on the focal of the lens. Aiming at the stamen, that puts the focal point about there. Let's make it about f4. You bring the camera in and out until you get a nice focal point where you want it. If you want a bit further, just, of course, change the focal point. You move the camera in until you get a nice position of your focal point. That was using ambient light, of course, of the room. Now, if I simply put desk lamp on, I can have it shining behind, and using the torch, have that shine from the front, again moving in and out with the focal point. Bringing the lights in closer, just changes the depth. That's all there is to it. Manual focus, just move gently a little bit in and out, set it, moving in and out. This works great indoors and on things that are not moving. If you're working with insects, a bit more tricky. You can have an ambient light, a constant light on, but I found doing insects is a lot better with a flash. But the same principles are set the same again. Fixed focal point, move in and out gently until you get a nice sharp image, take a couple of images. And that's it.